How to make a global announcement in Roblox Studio. Add a remote event to the replicated storage and name it Notify Event. Add a screen GUI to Starter GUI and name it Announcement. Add a frame to Screen GUI. Add a text label to the frame. A transparent background is recommended. Add sound to frame. Select the sound you want in the toolbox. Copy Asset ID and paste it into the Sound ID. Add a local script to Screen GUI. Writing the script. This local script listens for notification messages from the server, shows them with a smooth fade animation, plays a sound, then hides them again. Get services, remote event, and GUI objects. Set default hidden state. Makes frame and text invisible. Enables rich text so text can use colors or bold. Create tween settings. Create fade in and fade out tweens. Waits for the server to send a message. Show the notification. Sets the text, plays the sound, starts the fade in animation. Wait before hiding. Hide the notification. Starts the fade out animation. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This server script listens for a chat command and sends a styled notification message to every player in the game. Get replicated storage and remote event. Detect when a player joins. Runs whenever a new player joins the game. Gives us the player object. Runs whenever that player sends a chat message. Check if the command is /notify. Uses sub to read only the first 8 characters. Checks if it matches /notify. Only messages starting with this command continue. Takes everything after the command. Removes /notify from the front. Sends the message to every player. You can try customizing your message as you like. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.